Okay, continue to study English online with my video. 1. Headache. 2. Stomach ache. 3. Cold. Paragraph 1 about cold. I don't feel very well. My nose is blocked. And I been coughing a lot. Miss Mom give me some tissue and said I should blow my nose. She also said I should not drink anything cold or eat sweet. She said I should drink hot water and eat lot of fruit. Paragraph B. Continue. How people headache. Example, I feel really unwell. I have really bad pain behind my eye and it get worse as I look at the sun. Mr. Parrot said I should lie down in a dark room and relax. He said I should not sing too much or listen to loud music. He said if the pain get any worse, I should take a tablet. Stomach ache. Continue. Stomach ache. How the people get stomach ache? I feel really sick. My stomach is making a lot of strange noise and I feel really sick when I think about food. My mom said I should ask my mom to take me to the doctor. She said I should not eat any food or have anything to drink. She said the doctor should give me an injection to stop the pain. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.